Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Sunday, March 3rd, 2013. The negative double. Here's the situation. Your partner opens with one of a suit. Right-hand opponent overcalls. You may have had your bid stolen by your opponent. Actually, the overcall may assist you in certain cases. Need to take advantage of the situation. But the question is, just when do you double, and what does it mean when you do? A double is a takeout double. It's called a negative double. What suits and what length do you promise? Your partner opens a club. The next hand bids a diamond. Your double promises 4 cards or more in both majors. Your partner opens a minor. Next hand bids a heart. A double shows 4 spades. With 5 spades, bid 1 spade. Your partner bids a minor, and the next hand bids a spade, and you double. What does that show? It shows anywhere from 4 to 6 hearts. Why is that? Well, in order to bid 2 hearts, you need to have 5 hearts, and you need to have 10 points. So you may have 5 hearts, but less than 10 points. You still have to double. You could even have 6 hearts, but less than 10 points. Bidding goes 1 heart, 1 spade, and you double. It shows 1 or both minors. In this case, you need to be a little careful because the bidding gets up a little high, and your partner may have the wrong minor. He may assume you have the wrong minor. What strength do you promise with a negative double? Well, the strength is based on the level that you're forcing your partner to go to. If you're forcing him to the 1 level, it's only 6 points as standard response. The 2 level, you better have at least 8 points, and at the 3 level, you should have 10 or more. How high do you play a negative double? Well, it's between you and partner. I suggest you play the negative double up to 3 clubs. Some people stop at 2 spades. What if you double higher than that? Well, some people would take that as a penalty double. But I suggest at the 3 level at least, a double of 3 diamonds, 3 hearts, or 3 spades is a trump double, or the 3 no trump double. It works like this. You have a good hand, and you want to play a no trump. You ask partner to bid 3 no trump if he has a stopper in the opponent's suit. If he does, he bids 3 no trump. If he doesn't, he'll bid another suit, and you'll try to find a place to play. Well, some examples. 1 club by partner, 1 diamond on your right. You don't have both majors, you can't double, you bid a heart. Next hand, you do have both majors. Goes a club, a diamond, what do you bid? You double, that's a standard takeout double. And number 3, you're 5-4 in the majors. Goes a club, a diamond. What do you bid? 5-4, you still double. We'll get to a case where you don't shortly. More examples. Here you're 5-4, but you're stronger. It goes a club, a diamond. In this case, bid a heart. You're going to be in game anyway, so no need to go negative double. Just bid naturally. You're going to be in game. 1 club and 1 heart. You have 4 spades. You got to do something. You double. If you had 5 spades, you'd bid 1 spade. More examples. Here you're 5-5 in the majors, but you're kind of weak. Goes a club, a diamond. With 5-5, bid the spades because you can get out at 2 hearts if partner doesn't like your spades. It's better to bid naturally. Okay, here you have both majors. You've about 8 points. Goes 1 diamond. Right hand opponent bids 2 clubs. You have just barely enough points to make a negative double. You have 8 points counting the queen of diamonds, and your partner's bid diamonds, so queen of diamonds is a good card. Now here's an interesting hand. You need to think about this. Partner opens a club. Right hand opponent bids a heart. Now you double. You're showing 4 spades. If you had 5 spades, you would have bid. Left-hand opponent now bids 2 hearts. It's passed around to you. What do you bid? You bid 2 spades. Now, what does partner think? Well, he knows you only have 4 spades, or you'd have bid 1 spade the first round. The implication is you have a backstop. If he doesn't like spades, and you have no reason to know if he does or not, he may have support in spades, but he's not strong enough. He's minimum. He doesn't want to encourage you. He could pass. Otherwise, you have club support. That's the implication. You have a backup plan. So you should have clubs as well for your 2 spade bid. Couple more examples. 1 diamond, 2 clubs. You can double, because if all else fails, if he bids hearts, you can go back to diamonds. You always have a backup plan when you're doubling into minors there. Next hand. 1 diamond, 2 clubs. Again, you can double because you have a backup plan. When you play negative doubles, be sure and mark it on your convention card. Here's where it goes. I have marked a negative double through 3 clubs, and I would suggest that you play thrump doubles. And I also have listed here ELCD, which I covered about 3 classes back after a double. That's where you do it. Tomorrow we're going to talk about some situations where a partner has to respond after your negative double. You need to balance it a little bit. Things happen. See you tomorrow.